Hello. Hello. I am Johnny Seagull.
I got it from in Borkis land.
Did you get a lousy grift this Christmas?
Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville, and this is Jackass.
Attacker police force ninja. If you would like to make us aware of your being here, give us a sign.
It's not out yet, but Kurt Russell's in it, so it's pretty good.
I'm a tough boy. Don't play with toys. Put a punch in the face of all the little boys. I'm a tough boy.
Do not be afraid. Surrender your soul to our milk chocolate, caramel scented King of Darkness.
We're being 20,000 years before that time, and the Power Orc have taken over the Kingdom Land. And gonna kill my children for $1.
Wanna throw another shrimp on the barbie?
What are you doing, Cobber?
Ozzy! It's a picture of me weeing on a homeless man. Amen to that, bud.
Amen to that bud.
I fuck haters in my dungeon.
Oh no! It's a Skellytron! Oh no! It's a Skellytron!
In his room. Say no more, my friend. Say no more.
It's a good dick. It's an old dick. That's a good, trustworthy dick.
Wasabi!
I can't do it.
Why did James Bond kill himself?
His girlfriend didn't tell him that he had Sean Connery. Don't touch me, Uncle Peter! I've got a knife! Hello and welcome to Telly. What channel would you like? What's that? The same channel as every day?
Ticks with wings?
Dicks with wings,
Ticks with dicks.
dicks with tits.
I think I'll just fucking die now.
Good shot, good shot.
Good chat.
Swag is for boys and class is for men!
Do you know the lines at all?
No.
No. I just...
No fucking.
Alright.
She says hi. No, she's sorry. She says she is high.
When you realise that there's nothing for us after this benign fleshy existence except the cold, dark embrace of the eternal void.
You find a poo in the urinal?
This is gonna be an experience. You're never gonna forget.
I hope you're ready for the summer, bitch. Die, skelly pigs!
Have Christmas, cause Johnny saved the day.
I'm going in that
Johnny, Johnny, Johnny. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. No more skeletons.
And he's dead.